Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Mutiara, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here are the complete news. The first news is the body of the victim allegedly attacked by a crocodile was found. The families and bodies of the victims who drowned in the Semaja River Nunukan Regency arrived in Tana Tidung Regency on Friday, July 22, 2022 in the evening. The victim, named Samsul, aged 45 years old, was allegedly attacked by a crocodile while fishing in Nunukan waters on Tuesday, 19 July 2022. The victim's family and body arrived in Semaja River district at around 6 p.m. From the observation of tribunkaltara.com, the victim's family and corpse were greeted by dozens of Semaja River residents not far from the victim's house. For information, the victim is a resident of Sepala Dalung Village, Semaja River district, Tana Tidung Regency. A resident of Semaja River, Jamhor, said that the information was that the victim's body was buried that night. From the observation of tribunkaltara.com, the body of the crocodile that allegedly punched on the victim was also brought to Tana Tidung. Until this news was revealed, tribunkaltara.com was still trying to find information from the family of the victim allegedly attacked by a crocodile in the Semaja River Nunukan Regency. The next news is search for elementary school teacher who fell from a longboat in the waters of Timika. The Joint Search and Rescue Team is currently searching for a 28-year-old elementary school teacher named Yoshua Wutwensa, who fell from a longboat in the waters of Puriri Timika. The search for entering the 4-day continues to be carried out by the Joint Search and Rescue Team, but has not found any signs of the victim's presence. The search was carried out by combining the mainland of Puriri Beach approximately 4 kilometers and deep sea waters as far as 5 nautical miles from the mainland. The search was carried out in accordance with the SARMAP predictions seen by the National Search and Rescue Agency, the Central Command Center. The search will continue on Wednesday, July 22, 2022 in the morning at around 6 o'clock a.m. with the search area expanded according to Rain Ops Day 5. Previously, on Saturday, July 16, 2022, at around 20 minutes to 8 km, we received a report from Mrs. Oka that a 40-vehicle longboat departed from Timika to Omoga Manasari with 20 passengers on board, causing an elementary school teacher to fall on the way. The search has been carried out in the waters of Puriri Timika, combined the coastal area of the Puriri coast and the outer waters is approximately 1.7 nautical miles from the mainland coast of Puriri. The next news is thick smoke blankets Semarang. The city of Semarang was shrouded in smoke on Friday morning, July 22, 2022. The smoke was caused by the burning of 3 warehouses of the CV Saprotan Utama Fertilizer Factory in Brangen on Thursday, July 21, 2022. The smoke spread to the West Semarang district or 13 kilometers from the location of the fire. One resident said that the smoke smells in and is splashy in the eyes. The smoke also irritated the eyes. A resident of Pendrikan Kidul Sentrang, Semarang, Miran, admitted that he had looked for a source of the smoke smell which resembled the smell of firecrackers. He also realized it after knowing that there was a factory fire incident in Brangan. It was previously reported that 3 warehouses at the CV Saprotan Utama Brangan fertilizer factory caught fire on Thursday, July 21, 2022 at night. The fire can be extinguished after 5 hours. There were no casualties in that incident. The next news is, motorcycle theft suspects didn't fall, even shrouded. I don't know what practice and amulets are used by Sobirin, a resident of Puspo, Pasuruan, a suspect in this motorcycle theft syndicate. 4 times shot using hot lead police pistol in 2 ambushes, none of which managed to knock him down. In fact, the hot lead had lodged in several parts of his body, such as the arms, calves, and thighs. When asked about his strength and endurance, he endured the pain of each bullet loaded. Sobirin always shook his head. He admitted he did not poke out a talisman in any form. Moreover, about the strength practices that are recited, the young man with tattoos on both of his arms still argues that he doesn't have it. When asked how he treats every wound caused by hot lead lodged in his skin, Sobirin innocently admitted that he only treated all of the gunshot wounds with simple drugs. In fact, he also concocts herbal ingredients for topical medicine so that the gunshot wound on his skin heals quickly, namely with a mixture of binahong leaf juice powder. Meanwhile, the head of the Sub-Directorate of Street Crimes and Violence, the Directorate of General Crime Investigation of the East Java Regional Police, Lintar Mahardoni, admitted that the suspect Sobirin was somewhat slippery. Read the investigation report of suspect Sobirin. Lightning just shook his head. Apparently, the shooting occurred when officers arrested Sobirin in the 2015 and 2018 in the Pasuruan area. However, he always escaped, even though he was injured by bullets located in his calf, thigh, and arm. Not only motorcyclists, Sobirin and his gang, some of whom are still fugitives, also stole cows in the Pasuruan area. And the Sobirin gang also stole a pickup car at night, taking advantage of the owner's carelessness in the Sidoarjo Regency area. Meanwhile, during the year 2022, from January to July, the East Java Regional Police managed to secure 152 motorbikes, resulting from the disclosure of motorbike theft cases that were spread in each district of East Java. The next news is, Unanda Palopo campus was attacked by unknown people. Andi Jema University or Unanda Palopo has suspended activities on campus after the attack by unknown person on Friday, July 22, 2022. Students are asked not to be active on campus, likewise with the lecturers and staff. The Chancellor of Unanda Palopo, Insinyur Anas Bocek, has even issued a circular containing 3 points, responding to the campus situation after the student demonstration at the Palopo District Attorney's Office. The contents are: first, vacation on the 22nd of July 2022, being active again on the 25th of July 2022. Second, the registration for graduation has been extended until the 22nd of July 2022 at 11 p.m. o'clock. If the time has passed, it will no longer be possible to take part in the 21st graduation. Third, it is mandatory to register online at graduation.unanda.ac.id and collect files at their respective faculties. the second campus of the Faculty of Engineering Andi Jamal University, which is located on Tandi Pau Street, Palopo City, South Sulawesi, was attacked. The campus was attacked by an unknown number of people on Friday, 2022 in the afternoon. The crowd who came threw stones at the campus building. As a result, the classroom window glass was broken and the fence was damaged. The perpetrators are suspected to be relatives of the security guard who died when the iron fence fell on him. When a number of students demonstrated at the Palopo District Attorney's Office on Thursday, July 21, 2022. Dozens of police who were at the scene helpless. They were unable to dispel the mob who continued to pelt the campus with stones. Not only the campus, hundreds of people also threw stones at the student dormitory on Pontiku Street, Palopo. The police tried to disperse the crowd, but the throwing and vandalism continued. The head of the Palopo Reserve Police, Yusuf Usman, admitted that he had handled the case. Meanwhile, regarding the death of the Palopo security guard Abdul Aziz, the police have detained 9 students. The examination of these students is still ongoing. They are all still witnesses. They are not suspects. The next news is, oil spills often occur on roads in the mountainous areas of South Aceh, making people restless. The occurrence of an oil spill on the road in the mountainous area of South Aceh has made a number of motorists and road users feel restless and angry. The reason is, oil spills are often the trigger for accidents, from minor accidents to serious accidents that are very detrimental to road users. Locations where oil spills frequently occur from these tankers range from mountainous inclines in the Labuhan Haji, Mukak, Sawang, Tapak Tuan to Trumon sub-district. This area is often the occurrence of oil spills which are thought to have come from oil tanker trucks. Bahtiar, a motorist from North Kluet sub-district on Friday, July 22, 2022, admitted that he was annoyed with the large number of oil spills along Mount Tapatuan. The reason is, due to the oil spill, the road becomes slippery and causes many riders to fall. He admitted that he almost met death several times while avoiding the oil spill, so he was forced to go in the opposite direction. According to him, if you are forced to go through a road that is affected by an oil spill, then the risk you will experience is falling and even slipping into a ravine. Meanwhile, Wahyudi, a driver of Labuhan Haji sub-district, also complained about the frequent occurrence of oil spill on the route from Mount Labuhan Haji to Sawat. According to him, several times the minibus he was driving skidded and almost hit other drivers. According to him, if this condition is left unchecked, it will become severe and it is feared that it will trigger an increase in the number of traffic accidents in South Aceh. Therefore, this route user asked the government through the relevant agency to immediately take steps to prevent the oil spill from continuing. Responding this, the head of the South Aceh Relations Office, Filda Yuslibar, said that his party would immediately coordinate with the South Aceh Reserve Police Traffic Unit because his party is not allowed to take action on the highway without being accompanied by traffic unit. The last news is, the condition of foreigner buffalo belongs to the Solo Palace. This is a true story that accompanies the news of the buffalo Caucasian descendant of Kiai Selamat belonging to the Solo Palace. Only yesterday lost one of its members, Nyi Apon, due to the death of the virus, mood and food disease. Now it doesn't take long for a new buffalo to appear. Buffalo Nyai Juminten gave birth on Saturday, July 23, 2022 at around 12 o'clock p.m. Like being present in the midst of grief, Nyai Juminten's siblings became consolation after grief. Especially at the time, all sacred buffaloes were getting help by being injected with a viral vaccine for mood and foot disease. Juminten is a core buffalo, but he is currently exposed to mood and foot disease. Just like Niapon, finally exhaling it with 20 years old. According to the person in charge of the catch, Harry Solistio, the process of giving birth to Nyai Juminten's buffalo went normally without any assistance. However, because she was just giving birth, she didn't know the gender yet. The head of the South Square Management GKR, Timur Rumbai Kusumadewiani, said that Buffalo Nyai Juminten was pregnant for 9 months. Buffalo Nyai Juminten herself is 10 years old and has given birth 5 times. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Mutiara. Don't forget to follow us in Tribun Lampung News Video YouTube, Tribun Lampung Facebook, Tribun Lampung Instagram, and Tribun Lampung TikTok for further information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.